Alright guys, title of the video says it, but this is going to be more of a review style video, which I have not ever done on this channel, but we're going to see how I do. Leave me some feedback. If it's awful and you just never want to see it again, let me know. If it's good and I kill it, hey, leave that in the comments too. I appreciate honest feedback. But right now we're on the way to AutoZone to pick up an actual drying towel because I've bought like 4 of these things. Somehow leave them in different places every time I dry my car, so yeah, I'm probably gonna pick up something. I hope they have something nice at AutoZone. However, I doubt it. I did get this spray ceramic wax at AutoZone, which I'm about to review. We're gonna show some before and after with the water beading. If you guys know me, you know that I cannot stand when my car is dirty. The interior of my car was absolutely filthy for like 2 months. So the interior is finally looking good. We're doing a little preparation for Cars and Coffee at the M1 Concourse in Detroit, Michigan. Pretty excited how it turned out because I haven't actually detailed my car hardcore in maybe, I don't know, 6 months. It's kind of got an intricate process to actually apply it. It is water activated, so that's why I had to go get the drying towel, because there's a couple steps in the process of actually like getting it done. I'm gonna walk you through it in case you guys want to do it yourselves. Enjoy the video. It's gonna be, yeah, like I said, like a review style. So if I'm bad at it, again, let me know. If I'm good at it, let me know. If you never want to see my videos again, just click off right now. It's cool, no feelings hurt. So we're gonna give it an honest review. Hey, if it's good, the title of the video will reflect that. If not, obviously will not. But I've got a green light and I gotta pay attention to the road, so I'll catch you guys in a bit. Meguiar's ceramic, hybrid ceramic wax. So the big deal with this is you actually have to get the car wet. It already looks pretty shiny. Obviously, like I just washed the car. You gotta get the car wet, you gotta spray this on, you gotta dry it, and then you gotta rinse it again or something like that. I don't know, I didn't really pay attention. We're gonna figure it out as we go. All right, so the process with this is you gotta wash your car, and then while it's still wet, spray this on, dry it off like you regularly would, and then you get it wet again, and then dry it again, because it's water activated. So I'm gonna go through the steps with you guys. I just washed the car. It is dry because I just dried it, so we're gonna get it wet again, spray this on, and repeat the steps that I just said. So here we go. So as you can see right now, like very little to no beating of the water. So this will be the before shot while it's still wet. What? Wow, I just missed completely. That was silly. All right, we'll try it on this side. I only did 4 sprays. So it gets this kind of hazy look to it, and I think that's what we want. We don't want to buff it off completely because it is water activated. So I'm gonna turn this on. Ooh, that is beating quick. You could hear it going off there. So this is the difference. I'm gonna get the whole thing wet again. Turn that off, and then okay, so it actually spread like kind of over the whole hood just because the water spread it. But I'm gonna get the whole car wet, do the entire thing, and then come back for a final review at the end. Absolute mirror-like finish for the final result. I'm quite happy about that, especially for this just being a spray wax, guys. You can pick this up $15 or less. I think it was like $14 at some auto place. You can pick it up AutoZone, or there will be a link in the description for Amazon if you want to pick it up there. I highly recommend it. I've used spray waxes before, but none like this. It just feels smooth as glass, honestly. This is the cleanest my car's been in a while, so I am very happy about that. Every little bit, you guys see, it's just, I mean, look at that claws.